Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to new videos to Samsani. How are you all? I hope you all are passing incredible moments, right? And as you can see, we have come here. It's a different place for making video, and me and my friend actually have come here by riding cycle. Sorry, by riding cycle. You know that most of the people they are making mistake that if they want to, or if they are pedaling cycle, they are take this riding cycle, right? But it might be incorrect, because when we will pedal cycle, when we will ride cycle, we should use pedal, right? And when we will ride bike, and at this moment we can use ride bike. Okay, there's a thing. Actually, I think you have got it, guys. And after watching this video, I think it will be easy for you to make conversation with different kinds of people. If you want to mention that I'm pedaling cycle, or if you want to mention that I'm riding cycle. So I think already I have given you the tricks, and actually nowadays, and also I know that before making video, or in the past time also I was making this mistake, but after watched a one video, or after just learning this method, this grammar, actually it's not a grammar, but what can I say? Actually, I don't really know what to explain. Okay, so as you can see, guys, I have come here a different place. Okay, so I'm just in this video I'm going to give you some tips and tricks, actually, how to improve your speaking level, how to improve your learning skill. Okay, so first of all, if you are beginner, I think you are watching this video and you want to learn English more easily, right? So for this reason, actually, guys, those are watching this video, I have just one suggestion, one message for you. That's if you are keen on to learn English, if you have to have the ability to learn English, first of all you have to make sure that you have to set up your goal that after 6 months, after 3 months, where you will go, or where you will go, and after that people will see you the position. Okay, so first of all you have to mention this position, and after that you can start your speaking journey. Okay, so you know that because of without set goal, without making goal, how is it possible to survive? How is it possible to improve your speaking level, or how is it possible to improve yourself? So first of all, the main thing is you have to just make sure to set your goal that you have. If you will be getting any strikes or any interruption, it doesn't matter. Anyhow, any cost, you will learn English. You should learn English. You have to learn English. Okay, first of all, keeping your mind that you have to learn English. You will have to learn English anyhow, any cost. So first of all, the number one is you have to set up your goal, and the second one is consistently we have to listen more and more, right? Think about our childhood. We was listening so many we are listening so many Bangla language from our neighborhoods, and gradually we learned our Bangla language. And in this way, learning English is not it hasn't alternative way to learn English. But if you want to learn English, you have to focus this type of method, so that you can get your fluency within a very short time. And most of the people, they without listening, they are trying to learn English, but after 3 months or after 4 months, they just see that they are not able to. They don't have any improvement. They didn't get any kinds of improvement. So why? Because of they are not learning. They are not speaking English. You know. And if you are beginner, I think you should speaking what kind of video, what kind of structure sentences you understand. I think first of all you should just listen this type of video, like my video. I think it will be better for you to listen to understand, right? Because I use just simple words, simple sentences, simple making. I'm just trying to making simple sentences, so I think it will be easy for you to understand my video. Okay, and the third one is first of all, already I have told you that you have to just set up your goal, and second one is you have to listen a lot, and third one is many people, they are thinking that without grammar is not possible to learn English. It's not possible to speak English. Okay, so let me give you one example that we are a Bengali. So as we are Bengali, we have we are able to speak Bangla, right? But you can just tell me that. You can tell me, did you learn? Did you learn Bangla grammar for speaking Bangla? I think the answer will be not, right? So English also the same thing. No need to grammar for learning English, for speaking English. Just you have to listen, and by listening gradually your sentence making pattern will come your mouth and you will make sentence, no problem. And the fourth one is if you will be a content creator, if you will get within a short time your fluency, you have to make video. You have to make video. First of all, it might be drawback, it might be complex for you, but you have to try. And not only at your home but also without home, in outside you have to make video. Like me, as you can see, I'm making video, and so many people, they are looking on me that what I'm doing here, what I'm speaking English. They are thinking that I'm making a TikTok, but I'm not making TikTok. I'm not a TikToker. Okay, so that's the thing actually. And you know that I have a one TikTok ID where I'm trying to upload some English video, so that also if someone want to learn English by watching my video, they can improve their self very much. Okay, I don't want to make it longer because of my phone has no charge. Okay, because of it was a pouring rain, so that I could not charge my phone, so I have to stop my video. So Mamun, come here. So I'm going to ask you some question that after coming here, what is your feeling? এখানে আসার পর কেমন লাগছে তোমার? Okay, oh my god, maybe our guys are not listening our voice because of my microphone hasn't enough charge. Okay, so I don't want to make it longer. Those are watching this video, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Please Mamun, তুমি বলে দাও তাহলে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দেব আমার ভিডিও।
Oh my god, তো সবাই সানির চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দেবেন এবং বেশি বেশি করে সানিকে সাপোর্ট করবেন।
Okay, thank you so much.